Your body changes slowly with age, but after 65, even small habits can create powerful shifts in how you feel every single day. One of those habits is taking black seed oil before bed. Many seniors know it as an old remedy, but very few understand how strongly it affects the body at night, when your system repairs, resets, and restores itself. That's why using it before sleep produces deeper, longer-lasting, almost irreversible changes. Because nighttime is when your body is most ready to heal. The first change happens in your digestion. After 65, stomach acid becomes weaker, bloating becomes more common, and your gut moves slower than before. Black seed oil contains thymoquinone, a compound that helps relax your digestive tract, reduce gas, and improve bowel movement during the night. Seniors often wake up feeling heavy or uncomfortable, but when this oil works overnight, you may wake up feeling lighter and less bloated. Over time, your digestive system becomes more stable, your body absorbs nutrients better, and your energy levels become more consistent throughout the day. The second change is felt in your joints. Most people over 65 experience stiffness, especially in the morning. That's because inflammation peaks at night when your body is resting. Black seed oil helps calm these inflammatory signals, which can reduce swelling and stiffness by the time you wake up. If you use it consistently, your joints start responding differently. Less swelling, easier movement, and fewer painful mornings. This improvement becomes deeply rooted because lowering inflammation nightly gives your joints a chance to recover instead of getting worse. Another major effect is on blood sugar stability. Many seniors struggle with morning dizziness, shakiness, or brain fog because their nighttime blood sugar fluctuates too much. Black seed oil helps support healthier glucose levels during sleep. When your blood sugar stays stable, you wake up clearer, calmer, and more mentally balanced. This can also help with long-term weight control, especially around the belly, which becomes more challenging with age. Your heart and circulation also benefit quietly at night. After 65, blood pressure issues, poor circulation, and cholesterol imbalance become common. Black seed oil supports blood vessel relaxation and reduces oxidative stress, which helps your heart work with less pressure. Some seniors notice that their morning blood pressure readings improve after weeks of consistent nighttime use. These slow improvements build up, strengthening your cardiovascular function in a way that becomes long-term. Then there's the effect on sleep. Many seniors wake up multiple times due to pain, anxiety, or frequent bathroom visits. Black seed oil has natural calming properties that help your brain settle. This allows for deeper, more restorative sleep. And better sleep boosts everything: immunity, hormone balance, digestion, and even muscle strength. During deep sleep, your body heals faster, inflammation reduces, and your mind becomes clearer. Your immune system also changes when you use black seed oil regularly at night. With age, immunity naturally weakens, and recovery from illness becomes slower. Black seed oil helps increase antioxidant protection and supports white blood cell activity. Over time, this strengthens your natural defense system. Because your immune system is most active at night, taking the oil before bed allows it to work at the perfect time. However, you should still be careful. Too much black seed oil can upset the stomach, lower blood pressure too much, or interfere with medications such as diabetes or blood-thinning drugs. Always start with half a teaspoon, and ideally take it after a small snack so it's gentle on your stomach. And if you have medical conditions, check with your doctor before making it a daily routine. The powerful thing about black seed oil is not what it does overnight, but what it does night after night. Consistency creates long-lasting changes. Your digestion resets. Your joints become less inflamed. Your blood sugar stabilizes. Your sleep deepens. Your heart works smoother, and your immunity becomes stronger. These changes stack up slowly, becoming part of your body's new normal. You may go to bed the same, but if you take black seed oil regularly at night, you won't wake up the same. Your body quietly transforms while you sleep, bringing you more comfort, strength, and health in the years ahead.